The 20-ton industrial HVAC unit, packaged air conditioners provide energy-efficient cooling, heating or dehumidification of recirculated air, ideal for cooling in large spaces and demanding environments like manufacturing plants, data centers, large office complexes, event halls, hospitals, or warehouses. The data tag on the unit includes QR codes for technical support, a setup instruction video, an installation operations maintenance manual and wiring diagrams, along with identifying which refrigerant is in the unit. It has a panel-mounted high-voltage disconnect, master on and off switch, 2 stages of cooling refrigeration capacity control, a single-point 460-volt, 3-phase, 60 Hz power connection, utilizing 4-cam lock power cables, ensure proper voltage, amp capacity, and cable sizing to unit. The low-voltage control panel features the temperature controller with an easy-to-use digital display. Selector switch to control entering air and leaving air temperature. The 20-ton industrial unit features 2 20-inch inlet air duct connections, 1 20-inch outlet air duct connection, a 7-position quadrant damper for balancing airflow, duct holder clamps for easy attachment, a 2,800 CFM high static plenum fan rated at 7 inches total static pressure. Do not put hands inside unit while fan is running. Additional unit features include 1.5-inch condensate drain connection, easy access panels for efficient serviceability, heavy-duty skid and dual forklift slots with the center of gravity marked along with the total package weight, eyelets for overhead lifting with egg-coated lifting and stacking cage for ease of storage and transportation. Tie down at appropriate spots. Air ride suspension is required. Always wear proper PPE when operating.